I'm stage 1 ECU and stage 2 TCU on my B9S5 with an intake, but no intercooler yet. I've noticed as it got hotter out, the pulls got way slower. Would an intercooler make a big difference? Yes.
Yes.
A huge difference. I was just talking about problems needing solutions. The problem with the stock intercooler is exactly as you described. It'll be okay for like one pull, and then it's going to overheat. It's going to heat soak, and it just doesn't have enough thermal capacity to deal with all the heat that the stock turbo is producing. So that's where we currently recommend a Wagner intercooler. That will more than solve any intercooling problem you have, and you will see consistent power pull after pull. I would say, except for on the very hottest days where you might start challenging the cooling system, you're not going to see any kind of thermal reduction based on intercooler.
You'll be pretty astonished too when you go to install an upgraded intercooler just how small the factory one is for the given space. I mean, it's like a 5.5 or 6 inch tall heat exchanger. It's kind of comical how small the thing is for the amount of power that.
And the reality is, it's too small for the stock tune.
Yes. Yep.
You know, it's just way too small. So yes, absolute great upgrade.
Yeah. It's the same intercooler they used on the A4s for reference. They didn't upgrade the hardware at all on that.
The stock intercooler.
The stock intercooler, yeah.
Yeah, it's just the A4. They needlessly put a blanking plate on the part
even
of
more reduced it on the A4. Yeah. I don't know why you would ever. Yeah.
And it's even. I mean, it's probably okay for the stock A4 if you take that blanking plate off. It's probably about right.
Some interesting penny pinching there.